everyone's going through the corridors now and going home. So it's officially the weekend and I'm still sad enough to do this for you lot, okay? So you better watch these videos. Prove algebraically that the difference between two different odd numbers is an even number. Okay, so this is about your experience with proof, and proof is quite straightforward when you know how to set it out. Okay, so I just need to show you what's going on. Okay, so the difference between something is where we take them away. Two different odd numbers. Okay, so that's what we need to do. So two different odd numbers. Now an odd number, well actually an even number is 2n. That's how I represent it generically. Because if I think of n of any number, so 10, 2 times 10 is 20. It's even. Try n as 1, 2 times 1 is 2. So when you double something, it's always even. So that is an even number. To make it odd, you simply add 1. So that is an odd number. Okay? And now, what we need to do is think of a different odd number. So we can change the letter. So 2n plus 1 is a different odd number. So that's an odd number and that's an odd number. Okay, you could do any of that, it doesn't matter. But we stick with n's and m's to prove, that's the kind of way to do it. What we need to do is take them away from each other. That's what we need to do. 1 second. So 2n, we can't take away 2m from it, so that's going to have to take away 2m. The 1 take away the 1 is going to be 0. So that's what I'm left with. Now that in itself proves that it's even, okay? But what you can do to really show it's even is if you factorise it, so let's factorise that. It's got a common factor of 2. And then that'll leave me with this. So anything times by 2 is even, so the result is an even number. Okay, so that's it. So I'm left with an even number. Okay, so that's algebraic proof that's even. So even number. So there's all different types of ones that you can learn. It'll be like the product of two odd numbers, or the product of an even number and odd number, where you times them together. Okay, there's all different ones you need to learn. But when you learn them, you can be quite good with them because you kind of know where they're going. You're either going to factorise something to prove that it's odd or even, or you're going to take them away from each other to leave a certain result. They are quite easy once you've had a bit of practice.